Students, you are most welcome to the language class. Today we are starting adverbs, chapter 9. What is adverb? Have you heard about adjectives and verb? What is verb? Verb is a doing word. Now, adverb puts more something meaning to the verb. An adverb adds something more to the meaning of a verb. Okay. For example, we can say, look at the picture, ducks swim. Ducks swim gracefully. So, how the ducks are swimming? Gracefully. So, gracefully is an adverb. Next, ducks swim in the pond. Where it is swimming? We are getting the answer in the pond. So, it is also adverb. Ducks swim the whole day. When did the duck swim? Ducks swim the whole day. Next, ducks often swim with their babies. How many times? Often. So, which are the adverbs over here? Gracefully, in the pond, the whole day, and the often. Okay. So, next, Raju spoke softly at the meeting. Now, you say which one is the adverb over here. Raju spoke softly at the meeting. Softly. Minnie and Seema are walking on the road. Where they are walking? On the road. So, on the road is the adverb. The parents are coming back at 8 o'clock. When they are coming back? At 8 o'clock. So, here at 8 o'clock is the adverb. I usually visit my grandparents alone. Usually. Usually is the how many times? Usually. Okay. So, adverb of manner. When we are asking any question with a how and we are getting the answer. For example, Raju spoke softly at the meeting. So, softly is the adverb of manner. Minnie and Seema are walking on the road. Where they are walking? On the road. Where is noticing, indicating the place. So, it is adverbs of place. My parents are coming back at 8 o'clock. When? The answer is at 8 o'clock. So, it is the adverb of time. I usually visit my grandparents alone. Usually. Usually is the adverb of frequency. Next. So, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of frequency. The ice cream melts quickly. So, quickly is how. How the ice cream melts? Quickly. So, quickly is a adverb of manner. Read the examples and try to understand. The adverbs that talk about where an action is done are called adverb of place. For example, I will come home in the children are playing in the park. Where the children are playing? In the park. So, when we are getting the answer of where, the answer will be the adverb of place. Next, I will come home in the evening. So, when you will come home? In the evening. In the evening is indicating a time, is a particular time. Okay. So, it is the adverb of time. 7 o'clock, tomorrow, before, all these things are adverb of time. Next, adverb of frequency. Frequency means that happens usually or very often in week, in once in a week, twice in a month, like this. For example, it rains often in Sri Lanka. Often is the adverb of frequency. Never, adverb of frequency, but it never shows there. So, never is the adverb of frequency. In many parts of Nepal, it snows repeatedly in winters. Repeatedly means it occurs very often, once, twice in a day or 2 day. Okay. Repeatedly. Like this, sometimes it rains sometimes, while at other times it snows. So these are the adverbs of frequency. So when we are getting the answer of how, so that will be adverb of manner. When we will get the answer of where, adverb of place. When, that means the time, and how many times, that is frequency. Okay, so when we will get a adverb, we will ask the question. If whatever answers we are getting, which question, then we will put it according. If we are getting how, the answer of how, it will be adverb of manner. Where, adverb of place. When, adverbs of time. And how many times, adverbs of frequency. Next, choose the correct adverbs of manners to compile the sentences. One has been done for you. Number 1 I have omitted, no need to do that. Okay, the children ate up all the ice cream. Here, at night, or greedily? The answer will be greedily. Yes, our teacher makes us work there hard on Sunday. Makes us work hard. So rest of the things you will do by yourself. Next one is the same. Choose the correct adverbs of frequency to complete the sentences. Shayantan cooks for us quickly, quietly, often, or here. So often, the answer will be often. I go to my dad's office. I never go to my dad's office. Like this, do the rest of the things. So read it, and whenever you will get a sentence, you will ask the question, and whatever answer you will get, according to that you will choose the adverbs, kinds of adverbs. Okay, so read the chapter, do the exercises in book. We will discuss in the live class. So till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time.